Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting updates about Tesla's revolutionary humanoid robot, Optimus. Jamie, what's the latest buzz about Optimus this year?
Well, Alex, there's a lot to talk about. One of the biggest advancements is that Optimus hands will soon have 22 degrees of freedom. Can you believe that? It's almost as dexterous as human hands.
22 degrees of freedom? That's impressive. How does that compare to human hands? And what does it mean for the robot's capabilities?
Human hands have about 27 degrees of freedom, so Optimus is getting pretty close. This upgrade means the robot can perform more complex and delicate tasks, similar to what a human can do.
That's a huge leap forward. But how is Optimus being tested in real-world scenarios? Is it just in the lab, or are we seeing it in action?
Great question, Alex. Optimus is already being tested in Tesla's factories. There's a video showing it autonomously sorting battery cells, walking around, and performing various tasks without much human intervention.
Wow, that's amazing. So, it's using sensors and cameras, right? How does it navigate and interact with its environment?
Exactly. Optimus uses a combination of cameras, tactile sensors, and for sensors to understand its surroundings and manipulate objects. It can even fix its own mistakes, which is pretty incredible.
That sounds like it's setting a new standard for robotics. When can we expect to see Optimus available for purchase? And any idea on the price?
Tesla aims to start limited production of Optimus by the end of 2024 and hopes to make it available for purchase by 2025. Elon Musk mentioned that the price could be under $30,000, which is quite affordable for such advanced technology.
That's less than half the price of many new cars. It's exciting to think about how this could revolutionize industries. Any final thoughts on where Optimus is headed?
Optimus is designed to be a versatile helper in various settings, especially factories. With its advanced capabilities, it's likely we'll see it taking on more complex tasks and becoming a crucial part of the workforce in the near future.
Thanks, Jamie. This has been an enlightening discussion about Tesla's Optimus robot. What do you all think about these advancements? Let us know in the comments below.
Hey, thanks for watching Fam Spectrum. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the button. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.